everyone, welcome to EduTales English Learning Tutorials. Today, we will learn about types of pronoun in detail. During the videos, note down all the keywords which will be helpful to you in improving your English. Pause the video wherever required for better understanding. Let's revise the meaning of pronoun, which we have already covered in our previous videos. Please see the description below for the link. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of one or more nouns and the words that describe these nouns. They are usually short words and are used to make sentences less repetitive. For instance, if you are telling a story about your sister Lily, the story will begin to sound repetitive if you keep repeating Lily over and over again. For example, Lily has always loved fashion. Lily announced that Lily wants to go to fashion school. Here, we need to replace the noun Lily with the word she. Here, she is a pronoun. Now, let's understand types of pronoun. In all, there are 8 types, which we'll understand with suitable examples as follows: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reflexive pronoun, intensive pronoun, and possessive pronoun. The first type of pronoun is personal pronoun, that is, those associated with a certain person, thing, or group. When most people think of pronoun, it is the personal pronoun that springs to mind. There are 2 types of personal pronoun, that is, subject and object. When the person or thing is the subject of a verb's sentence, subject pronouns are used, that is, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. It generally replaces the name of the subject. For example, it's so beautiful. He studies hard to pass the exam. I don't want to go home in the dark. Object pronouns are used when the person or thing is the object of the sentence. That is, me, you, her, him, it, us, them. For example, don't tell her the truth. Ask me no question and I will tell you no lies. Personal pronoun can be one of the 3 persons. A first person refers to the speaker. A second person pronoun refers to the person being spoken to or addressed. And third person pronoun refers to the person being spoken of who are neither speaking nor being addressed, that is, everybody else. For each of these 3 grammatical persons, there is plural as well. Let's understand with the chart. The second type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. It represents a noun and tells us whether it is singular or plural and whether it is near or far. This and these refers to something nearby. For example, this is the mobile I left in the car. Here, the speaker could be holding a mobile phone. It is singular and it is near to the speaker. Whereas that and those refers to something at a distance. For example, those are my research findings. In this example, the speaker could be pointing to his research findings. They are plural and far from the speaker. We can summarize this through this table. The third type of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. They are used to ask or introduce question by using WH family. That is who, whose, which, whom, and what. If you are learning English as a second language, it is important to remember that whose, who, and whom are used to refer to people, which is used to refer to person, things, and animals. What refers to an idea, object, or event. Who acts as a subject while whom acts as the object. For example, who told you to do that? The answer to this question is the noun represented by the interrogative pronoun who. Which dog won the race? The answer to this question is the noun represented by the interrogative pronoun which. The fourth type of pronoun is relative pronoun. They describe something more about the subject or the object and adds more information to a sentence. In English, relative pronouns are who, whom, which, whose, and that. They refer back to people or things previously mentioned, and they are used to link one phrase or clause to another phrase or clause. The compounds whoever, whenever, and whichever are also commonly used relative pronoun. For example, the man who stole your bike has been caught. In this sentence, who identifies the man. His car, which is 1 year old, broke down again. Here, which gives us more information about his car. Do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy English lessons in our upcoming series. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you.